Picture this, snagging your piece of the $3.5 trillion a year freelancing pie by launching a cutting-edge AI-driven freelancing site. With over 30 AI robots handling all the services, you can get it up and running in just 60 seconds. How cool is that? Meet FreelancerPro AI, the ultimate all-in-one app that's changing the game. It's the first of its kind, letting you whip up your own freelance platform in just 60 seconds. Plus, you can tap into high-paying gigs from top sources and deliver them effortlessly with over 30 AI tools and robots working around the clock. Think of it as a complete biz in a box. You get an AI website builder, page builder, article writer, video creator, logo designer, music and image creator, story generator, content generator, AI chatbot integration, you name it. With FreelancerPro AI by your side, launching your freelancing platform is a breeze. AI's got your back, handling everything from building websites and automating marketing to managing clients so you can zero in on what really counts, making money. Forget about coding or complicated setups, just one click and AI takes over. Your platform will be up and running in no time, drawing in clients, managing freelancers, and automating marketing like a pro. With FreelancerPro AI as your business manager, it handles everything from snagging new clients to delivering projects with barely any effort needed from you. Provide the hottest services businesses are clamoring for and deliver them instantly. Set your own prices, offer multiple services or upsell to boost profits. And the best part? Unlike Fiverr or Upwork, you keep every penny. No fees or middlemen involved. FreelancerPro AI is packed with awesome features that make freelancing a breeze. Let AI robot handle the work while you grow your income effortlessly. All it requires is just one click and the app will do the rest of the work for you. Don't wait. Get started with FreelancerPro AI today and watch your freelance business take off. Sign up now for an exclusive launch offer, limited time only. Hit the link below now. Watch how to create a profit-pulling AI-powered high-value freelancing site in just 60 seconds.